Breaking news. A federal judge has just blocked Elon Musk's controversial DOGE, the Department of Government Efficiency, from accessing sensitive U.S. data. This decision is a huge setback for both Musk and the Trump administration. But what exactly led to this ruling? And what does it mean for national security and privacy? Stick around to find out. So, what exactly is DOGE? DOGE, short for the Department of Government Efficiency, is a controversial project initiated by Elon Musk to streamline U.S. government operations. Launched with the backing of the Trump administration, DOGE aimed to cut bureaucratic red tape by gaining access to massive amounts of personal data from agencies like the Department of Education and the Treasury. Musk envisioned DOGE as a revolutionary system that would use AI to analyze, predict, and eliminate inefficiencies in government. But critics argued that this level of data access posed serious privacy risks. Now, why did the court intervene? The ruling came after multiple lawsuits were filed by labor unions and privacy advocacy groups, including the American Federation of Teachers. They allege that DOGE's unrestricted access to millions of personal records violated the Privacy Act of 1974, which strictly limits how government data can be shared. In their arguments, plaintiffs emphasized that allowing DOGE to access sensitive data, such as student loan information, taxpayer records, and employee profiles, without explicit consent, could lead to massive data breaches and misuse. The judge, in his preliminary injunction, stated that the Trump administration failed to provide sufficient justification for granting DOGE access to such a vast amount of sensitive information. As a result, the court blocked DOGE from further access to this data until a full trial is conducted. This decision is a significant blow to both Elon Musk and the Trump administration. For Musk, DOGE was not just a government project, it was a proof of concept for using AI to enhance public governance. But with this injunction, the project has hit a major roadblock. On the other hand, the Trump administration faces renewed criticism over its handling of privacy laws. Critics argue that granting DOGE unchecked access to millions of Americans' data without oversight is a blatant violation of privacy laws. And with this ruling, other lawsuits against Trump's policies, such as his attempts to end birthright citizenship and deport undocumented immigrants without due process, could gain more traction. Public reaction has been swift. Privacy advocates hailed the ruling as a victory for individual rights. Organizations like the Electronic Privacy Information Center, EPIC, have applauded the court for upholding the Privacy Act and protecting millions of Americans from potential data misuse. However, Trump's allies criticized the ruling, arguing that it hampers government efficiency and slows down much-needed reforms. Some have accused the judiciary of obstructing progress and claimed that the DOGE initiative could have saved billions of taxpayer dollars. Meanwhile, Elon Musk has remained unusually silent on the matter. Analysts believe that Musk is weighing his next legal move and considering appealing the injunction. So what happens next? The case will now proceed to a full trial where the court will determine whether DOGE's access to sensitive data truly violated privacy laws. If the injunction is upheld, it could severely limit the power of future government agencies to use AI for data analysis. But if the Trump administration successfully appeals, DOGE could be back in action, and with even greater scrutiny. Either way, the outcome of this case will set a critical precedent for balancing technological innovation and privacy protection in government. This story is far from over. We'll be tracking every update as it unfolds. Make sure to hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe to Newswatch for real-time news coverage from the US. Stay tuned and stay informed.